Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video class we are going to see how to install connectivity program. When we are using Python to work with MySQL, we need to import a module called MySQL.connector. If we need to use that MySQL.connector, we need to install a small file. Even we can also use PyMySQL module. Even for that we need a installation. We will see how to do that. Click on start, type command. Now before running this command, make sure that computer is connected to the network. Type python -m pip install --upgrade, then pip, then press enter. This is to upgrade the pip installation. Before installing the connectivity, we need to upgrade this, otherwise it may show error after installing the connectivity program. So now we will install the connectivity program. Pip install MySQL -connector -python. After typing this, press enter button. So now MySQL Python connectivity program is ready. If you want to install PyMySQL, even that needs the pip installation. For that, pip install PyMySQL, then press enter. So even this is done successfully. Either you can use PyMySQL or MySQL connector to connect the Python program with the MySQL and then execute the program. Let us just check giving MySQL.connector in the Python IDLE whether it shows any error or not. I type here import MySQL.connector and then I run this. There is no error, so that means the installation is complete and then it works well. Similar way I can also give here PyMySQL and check. So this also works without any error. So the installation is successful. We can do the program connecting both MySQL and Python. Once we learnt some amount of MySQL queries, and then we will come back to do the program and then connect the MySQL through the Python. Let us meet in the next class. Until then, bye. Thank you.